Okay, this is Inchcape Street. I was wrong before. And this is Brougham coming up. Right, I'll put some... May as well leave it running, I guess. It's amazing, it seems dry. It seems you'd never know. You'd never know about this. There. Okay. So I've come to film this for someone who asked me online. If your house is one of those, then that's gotten wet. Wow, there's still people in that house there. Is that? I'll come across here, see what else we can see on this side. Just
this
down
is
there.
the view from the corner of Brougham and Crutchley.
Yeah. There. You recognise this intersection, I'm sure. Brougham. And what did you say? Crutchley?
Yeah.
Look up and Brougham. And Crutchley. Okay. So basically, it's fine going that way. We'll go up over the hill and see what's up there.